I think I see better when I got my Glock beside me. I'm rolling up some pressure just to hide the pain inside me. I'm sliding in the SRT, but it feel like I'm with the gang, bitch. I can't never beef about a bop, man, fuck that lame, bitch. Pull up in my truck, I'm swinging, bitch, you know I lane switch. My niggas got the glizzy, yeah, we all up on the same shit. Just stay up in your lane, jit. This shit here can't get dangerous.
Nobody have shit. Ah! 10, 11. Don't worry about that fucking nigga, man. That nigga ain't shit. That's Caddy, go. Yeah! Double jump! What the fuck? Oh, that out, ain't it? No, that ain't that good. Ain't no out that good. That's gang. That's all. Gang time. That's all. God!
Damn, on the camera.
I know, right? That's 13. And then he made one and you made one. So we up by one.
How you feel about the game?
Man, you already know what time it is. You already know what the fuck going on. QC basketball, motherfucker. You already know what the fuck time it is. Look at these. Just put the cameras on the losers.
Bro, listen, bro. YouTube, don't be gas this nigga. I be seeing on the motherfucking comments. Don't be fucking gas this nigga up, man. For real. Because y'all be talking that bullshit.
Hey, put it back at me. No gas needed. We undefeated on this lot. Man, anybody want to pull up, come to backyard build while you getting your truck built? While you getting your truck built, you can get your ass whipped. You hear me?
$50 on the game, QC game.
Nah, real talk. We'll definitely do that for real.
We'll play any club, $50 on the game.
Oh, bring it back, bring it back. And we'll fight in the club too. No cap. For real.
They know that.
Keep fucking playing.
They know that.
Oh, for a track. I said it. I said it. Trap line. Oh, okay. Okay.
God damn.
Oh, you know what I'm saying? Put 1,000 on. You're not keeping that shit in. Yes, I am. No, you're not. I promise. Nigga, November. All my kids, I'm keeping these in. Okay,
That's it. About to take the squad out.
I'm done riding like shit.
I'm done. I
ain't gonna stop that one.
No more squat.
It be like this. It only be about where Rico Trippie like why I used to be at. Yeah, like that. And we're gonna see what it look like with that.
Now, show me the big.
In the shop, backyard build, yeah. I can't rap. I'm good for it. I can hit this pin though.
Sponsored by Vapes. Look at the drip, nigga. That nigga thugged out.
We don't claim him. We don't claim him.
Man, it's raining like hell.
So how you feel about the shot, man? Caught his ass off guard, that's what it was.
Shop?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, fuck with it. We'll have some lights in here soon. Best price around town. Probably on the state. Keep it one with you. Niggas ain't fucking with that girl good.
You see it, man, you know. She here. What would that say? You already know what's in front of there. Okay then. Yeah. Some call it a sex mobile.
What did he say?
Is it a sock over there?
This bitch ain't squatted no more. Well, it's squatted, but put the stock spring back in this bitch. So it can ride better.
Look at that shit.
Where you goddamn racks? The racks is hitting the damn rafters up here.
Who mans is this? Get him the fuck out of here.
That's perfect.
Yeah, this shit's straight right here.
That's
I can see 10 times better.
Bro, I fuck with this now, bro.
The Rico lane, but except I ain't 15, I'm only at like 11.
No, the fuck you not. No, nigga, no the fuck you not.
I am at 11.
Nigga, no the fuck you not.
I got 8-inch struts,
nigga,
3 on top, and
doing
control
and shit. Nigga, you gotta look at the hood and shit now where you at now.
Alright, so today we got a Tahoe in. These are OEM Cadillac tail lights, so they don't actually work for a Tahoe because they have different wiring harnesses, and if you can see right here, this is the old harness and all the shit that was a harness. So I'm gonna be utilizing some of these parts, like the clips and shit, just to use for these resistors and shit. So if you have a set of Escalade taillights that are OEM for an Escalade, not the conversion ones, this is gonna be how you knock it out. So I have some low resistors right here. You're gonna need 2 Hopkins. Let's see if I can have a part number or something on here. Probably not, but you're gonna need 2 Hopkins trailer harnesses. This is a 5 to 4. So 4 on this side, 5 on this side. You're gonna need 2 of these. Then you're gonna need 4 of these low resistors. I do have to get some more lights in this bitch. I just got these temporarily in here until I can get the wiring and shit ran in here. But probably go get me some more, and I definitely need me a shop fan because this shit is hot in this bitch. I'm gonna take this harness out of here and take it over there just so I can get everything spliced and soldered and heat shrunk and all that shit. But I will show you the wiring order and all that shit once I get it pretty much finalized. And if you see this little light right here, this is just my fucking headlamp, just so that way I can see what I'm doing while I'm under the truck. All right, so the harness is probably about 75% done. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you kind of what I'm working with. So this is the 5-pin side of the harness that is usually in the back of the Tahoe. This was cut to try to get these put in, but it was cut a little too short, so I'm just working with what I got here. Off the 5-pin of the Tahoe harness going to the Hopkins harness, you have 5 wires. They're all color coded. You won't be using the brown or the yellow, so you'll be using red, green, and white. So basically you'll take the blue wire from the Tahoe harness, run it to the red, the yellow, run it to the green, and the ground wire, you'll run it to white. Like I said, these 2, the brown and green, will be left out. And then you will cap out these 2, which I'm about to do here soon. And then on the 4 wire side, you will cap out the brown and yellow as well, because you won't be using those. Green will be going to the blue on the top, the tail light side, and then the white will be going to the 2 grounds coming off of the tail light, because one will be used for the tail light itself and one will be for the reverse light, I believe. And once you get this all done, you'll basically, if you're at this step to where your harness is cut, this is kind of worst case scenario. So imagine this being on the truck. You just take this clip out and you'll be working with this part, but I'm doing all of this shit too. And then all of this shit needs a connector. So yeah, I'm gonna have some real good fun with this shit. Here are the resistors right here. They are 50 watt, 6 ohm, perfect. They use them for LEDs all the time. And this is what the forum recommended. So this is kind of what I got going on. I believe this shit will work, so we're gonna give it a try. But yeah, man, we're just moving along. It took me a couple hours to kind of figure everything out and just get everything cut back enough and wired up enough, but we're getting there. Got the harnesses complete. Kind of did some modifications to them beforehand just to make it easier on myself. May have to lengthen these wires, not sure. We'll see once we get down here and get wiring. But like I said before, not sure if I explained it all the way because I just put these harnesses on here that were cut off. It's kind of confusing. I had to link to the fucking forum underneath the description and shit so that way you know, because this shit was a little just, you know, just, I don't know, it was tedious. It weren't like hard. It was just getting everything kind of clean and complete. And I still will be putting the weather covering over the shit and electrical taping over that. I just want to go ahead and wire this in since this is so short. And yeah, we'll just do what it do. I just want to do this on a video because I haven't seen anybody do a video on it yet. And a lot of people actually do this shit and they get confused, you know, if they buy an OEM Caddy tail light or if they find one in the junkyard and they wonder why the shit just doesn't plug and play. It's because the Escalade tail light is a 6-pin and Tahoe tail lights are 5-pin. So if you try to straight wire it, it'll fucking like do the hazards whenever you turn one way, or one will flash and they'll do the hyper flash shit because they don't have resistors and shit. So yeah, it's a lot of wiring and just knowing what to fucking look for, but we're getting it done. So it's been a little bit, but about to go ahead and start wiring those in and get them right, so that way I can go ahead and see if this shit is gonna work. All right, so it's late as hell, and I've been chasing this shit all fucking night, and I was thinking that I had something wired wrong, but everything's wired right, everything works how it should. I just tested everything out, and it works perfectly. The resistors are doing their job. I'll go ahead and show you kind of what they do. That way y'all can get a pretty good idea. But if you're looking for the turn signal fuse, it's in here. I had to fucking look for it and just make sure that everything was running right. But yeah, so let's check it out. As you see, got brake lights. If you can see back there on the wall, you see we got brakes on that side. Got turn signal on this side. This side is stationary as it should be. Then you got the other side. This one's stationary. This one's working. This shit has been a job. And then of course, hazards. Then you got both of them blinking now. It's a pain in the ass to do. I mean, I'm pretty sure somebody out there sells harnesses and shit like that you can get pre-made, but we don't do that backyard built, man. We get it done, figure it out ourselves, and goddamn just do what we gotta do, bro. All right, so a couple hours later, got this shit all finished up, touched up, and all of the lights work. Got them put in. Everything works as it should. I'll go ahead and show y'all real quick. So as you see, everything works as it should. I'm gonna show you real quick. Get down here on the ground. So not sure if you can see it too well, but these are where I mounted the resistors and the Hopkins harness. Just put everything up here as nice as I could. A lot of this shit down here is kind of chewed up, so just tried to find a good place for it to be where it's kind of out of the way as far as the weather and shit like that goes. But like I said, she's ready to go. Lights work, everything works as it should, and we done for the night. So it took me a little longer than expected, but it was a lot more wiring than I expected. Wiring always takes a long time because you got to be on point with that shit. But like I said, bro, this is it for this video. Grandpa and them is supposed to be coming by this weekend. We'll get some footage on that, and then I'm supposed to be doing an expedition starting tomorrow, but I want to go ahead and get a video out this week. So this will be this video, just us bullshitting around, getting some shit knocked out, and it's fucking like 11 o'clock at night. Couldn't do this shit if I was outside. So this will be it for today's video. Appreciate y'all for watching and supporting me throughout this journey. We're only gonna get bigger and better, so shit, keep up with me, and we're just gonna keep riding the wave. But some more shit coming soon, a lot of builds coming, so you might want to stay subscribed, bro. But yeah, man, I'm out.